Yo, what's up, guys? How we doing? All right, the market today was slightly sporadic. There was a couple of things happening in the morning, which I didn't really capitalize well on, and then finally later in the day, I was watching something and I caught a nice trade and put me up okay on the day. Anyways, we got sorry, clearing my throat here. We got this nonsense going on. This was VS in the morning, uh, and then GMM were the two leading gappers here. Um, yeah, I did not trade the open that well. Um, VS was okay. Like, it just treading water on this one. Um, yeah, just the normal open action. Nothing really happens. It gets capped right here at 250 and then reverses after having tested this level here. We'll just fast forward a little bit. Yeah. And then just this nonsense happens, trapping any longs that were in there as they sell off. Over here, GMM, this one got me. I got in too late as it started to curl up. It's testing this orange line. I really shouldn't have been trading up here. What I would have done, looking back at it, because I kind of like saw it. Let's see where I start trading it. Okay, I see it like right here. I don't know if I would have traded it. Nothing really terrible happens. I just get a lot of small cuts, and I think I was hoping for like a halt up or something, but it's not really that kind of day. Especially on this one, especially with how this action was here. It just didn't look right. Uh, uh, Go ahead. I'm sorry, I'm tired. Mm. Um, yeah, it's just like it kept moving around whenever I. Let's see. Actually, that was a decent fill. I don't know. It's hard for me to tell when these ones are moving so fast if it's like bad fills or I'm just spilling or I'm just hitting the button like really annoying. Anyways, I take maybe 5 small losses on this and I was down like 240 on it, which is fine. It's not really that big of a deal. I didn't really get emotionally perturbed about it. I was dumb trading, but it was good risk management. I didn't take any huge L's on anything here. Yeah, that'd been gnarly if someone got caught in that. Yep. And then it's kind of like mellow throughout the morning up until red zone starts, and I did not capitalize well on red zone. It's actually kind of late. I don't even know if I had alerts set over here, but I missed it. And then I'm trying on up right here, which up was not the one. Not a good trader. It's just it trades funny and very volatile. Just flashes around. Oh. Alright, let's see what can I show you. Yeah, see. See, this doesn't go here's what I'm thinking here. It's like it doesn't quite go. If it would have like tested low and then started to come back, I would have really liked that one for a pop higher. And then a quick cut because this is probably where lots of sellers are waiting, but it kind of creeps up into it, and that messes with the risk profile. The longer I have to hold it and pay attention to it, so it doesn't like flash against me. And that's like the main thing is like when stuff does not resolve quickly, I find myself in this weird position where I have to pay attention to it. My eyes are on it. And I have to pay like pretty close attention to it. But then I pay too close of attention, and then like little signals that I would normally look at when it's moving quickly often are fake outs, and then I just cut it and then it goes. So yeah, anyways, I didn't take advantage of that well. It ended up going up to 31 after looking like he was going to die right here. Looks like I'm back in. And then I cut it. I get back in. Oh, get a little cut there. Stop out for around break even. But yeah. See, like for all intents and purposes, I would say this right here is a reversal. It looks reversal, reversal, reversal. Looking at the level 2. Looks like reversal. Maybe right there. Oh. But then it's hesitating. Oh, it goes a little higher. Oh, 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 it goes a little higher. So where'd you get in? I don't know. If you held from maybe 34, oh, then you're up to there. You could probably jump in right there. Super dangerous, but fine. Oh, 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 oh. Now it's hesitating. It popped to 31. What? Now you're probably stuck. If you got the secondary move, you're probably stuck around 315. And then I would get out right there at least. Maybe you can wait till 225, 325. I don't know. Anyways, it's kind of just hesitating here. It should be going pretty quickly if it's going to break out. Yeah, I'm spooked by it. Here goes the 25 right here. And then immediately just gets batted back down. But I don't even think those are huge orders. That's a lot of just a lot of market maker volatility with the artificial spread showing. Oh baby, let's go. Yeah, so it's like I hate holding through that. I really just bounce in and bounce out, but a lot of times I lose money when I do it on these types of stocks because I can't really tell. It was an okay fill. Anyways, yeah, this is not a very clear um, explanation of anything, just looking at some price action. So take what you can from it. Yeah, keep playing like right before, and then look up here. It's 10 o'clock coming up on 10. What's gonna happen here? It's the first red candle, second time breaking through the trend line. What do I do? Oh. Hmm. It's hesitating right there. See that? I get in and it just hesitates. Yeah, like I gotta get out. Maybe even that was too long. Yeah, that was it. And then now these candles, it's like stacking sell signals. Could have got out for a little bit more. What was the risk though? Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, a lot of my trading is not. There's no real stops. It's very instinctual, very knee-jerk trading. Yeah, yeah. This is my P&L right now. I'm down 166 on Gman. I thought it was down 2 something. What was I? Oh no, just 166. Okay, that's why it wasn't that big of a deal. Okay, now it's kind of like starting to just consistently move lower. It's a slow move though. Easy to get out of the way. Stacking. Da, 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 da. This is a good turnaround right here. First green candle. And you're like, okay, does it fake out? Does it not? And then up goes in its weird teleporty fashion. You see that action? So there's two things right here. 5 minutes about to close, and this is a lower volume. Red candle, even though it's like bearish engulfing, whatever. It's just there's potential for it to turn around. I'm still watching it. As you can see, my cursor's on the buy button. Over here, up is going. It just frustrated me while I was trading it. Hey, real quick before I fall asleep. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this closes, and then I start trying to take positions, but I keep getting spooked out. Um, I took a nice loss last week, I think, on something not quite like this, but it was it was just on one of these types of stocks. It wasn't even the same setup, and it just made me because like I was sized in for uh, basically a similar type of move to this, but it was a similar price, and yeah, so I was also down on the day a little bit, so I didn't want to risk much anymore. All that plays a factor into knee jerk trading. Anyways, it ends up going up here, keeps grinding. Should have been sized into it after this, and then as that was about to close, we'll just stop probably around break even, just down here. It would have been a heavy trade. I think it would have worked out. Hindsight is 2020, especially in markets. That's what gets a lot of people. Anyways, that's it for the day. Um, Action, I think, will continue to be sporadic with 4th of July coming up on Thursday. And yeah. Now, I'm going to go take some ibuprofen, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.